Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Ace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device we need a couple of things. First we need a charging cable that was provided with our device, this one. And the second thing we need is to have an access to a working computer or the charging brick. So we can plug in this end of the charger into said computer or charging brick to provide the power to the charging and basically charge the device. Once you have those things, we can continue. And now we can grab our Smartband, plug it into a charger, basically align the pins right here on the charger and the device, snap it to the charger like that. And the second end we need to plug in into a working computer or charging brick to provide the power. I'm just gonna plug it into an extension cord like that, and as you can see the device is charging. And once the Smartband is charging, you can force restart it by pressing and holding the touch sensitive buttons that you have on the side of the device. Basically you need to press and hold both of them, so press and hold them, keep holding them, and keep holding them until you see the smiling face on the screen of the device. Now you can release the buttons and wait until the device is done rebooting. And here we have it. It's done rebooting. Now you can unplug it from the charger like that. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.